Well, it's that time. Your teenage child is ready to get their driver's license. It's a question that we get all the time. When do I add my teenage driver as a driver to my auto insurance policy? Well, that's what we're going to talk about on this week's Tip Tuesday. It's a pretty simple answer. As soon as your teenager gets their driver's license, you need to add them in the state of New York to your insurance policy to make sure that they are listed as either an occasional operator or principal operator, depending on the number of vehicles you have on your policy. So today I want to talk about 5 different ways to help keep your insurance premiums down when adding a teenage driver. First, make sure the teenager has taken driver's ed, driver's training, a defensive driving course, any and all of the above. Most high schools have some sort of way that teenagers can take driver's ed. Tip number 2 is to make sure you allow plenty of study time. What do I mean? If your child carries at least an A or a B average, they qualify for a good student discount. The discount can stay up to age 25, and an insurance carrier might ask for grades every semester, every year to verify that they've maintained this credit. So as your high schooler goes into college or any other continuing education, they will be able to maintain this discount all the way up to age 25. The third way to help keep insurance rates down is that when they get a vehicle and they're the primary driver of that vehicle, not to buy a brand new vehicle. Brand new vehicles require you to carry comprehensive and collision coverage. And obviously the repair rates are much higher, and replacement rates are much higher for a car that's value is much higher. What you want to look for is that newer used car that maybe you can pay cash for and not get a loan on, that you don't necessarily have to carry collision coverage. This is going to help keep those rates significantly down. I mean, believe I started with a Oldsmobile Cutlass, great car. The fourth way to help keep your insurance rates down is to make sure they keep a good, clean driving record. Having no tickets and no accidents, especially for an inexperienced driver, is very crucial when an insurance company wants to underwrite and rate your household. And the fifth and final way to help keep your rates down is to use an independent insurance agent like us at Crowley Insurance. The reason you want to use an independent agent is because we offer choices. We have many different insurance carriers that we can shop your insurance rates to make sure that without sacrificing any coverage, you are getting the best possible premiums for you, your family, with that teenage driver. If you or anyone you know has teenage drivers, feel free to have them give us a call. We gladly review their insurance policies to make sure that they are exactly where they need to be, covered appropriately, and paying the best possible premiums. As always, thanks for listening to this week's Tip Tuesday. We'll see you again soon.